Okay everybody, we're at our first stop. So far so good. It's 3 miles. Darian's doing okay. He has to eat something to get more energy. Andy's doing great. Right, Andy? And Uncle Angel is not even breaking a sweat. He's 100% recovered. So I wasn't very sure if Angel was going to come today because last weekend he was sick. Remember that? Okay, well check it out. This is what happened earlier today at the parking lot. Good morning everyone. So we're here waiting for Angel to get here. Hopefully he feels much better today and he's not sick still. So we'll see what happens. All right? Nemo.
Weirdos. Not related. No, I'm not related.
Awkward. And there goes Darian. Darian's very tired. Darian the Hammer Time Kid. So why are you going in circles? You're going to get more tired. No. Hey.
We're going to turn around?
Yeah, we're going to turn around.
7 miles, exactly.
7 miles? That's pretty good. 14 miles.
Yep.
That's pretty good. All right. How you doing, Andy? Are you breaking a sweat?
No, but he's already in sweat.
I am. Sweating like a pig.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the road for us. We're going to head back now. Oops. Excuse us. We're filming here. Okay, if you guys are wondering what that noise is, not Angel, but the gun noise back there.
Oh.
It's the shooting range. People come out to shoot their weapons, rifles, guns. So the shooting range is on the other side. There's like a hill, and they're shooting towards this way. Isn't that dangerous? Or are we too far away? How many meters can a bullet travel? Does anybody know? So last time when we went to the other bike ride where everybody went for the first time, we did 10 miles. So far we have about 7 miles, but this time Darian's exhausted. He wants me to carry him. He wants me to carry him like a little baby. No, don't crash into me. Alright, there's people coming. Behave yourself. Darian,
yeah.
How many stars do we want on this video?
1.
Darian!
5.
Yes. Remember, rated awesome you said? Focus.
No, that's my show.
Oh, that's your show?
Yeah.
When are you going to make the next video?
Like a few days.
A couple of days?
Yeah. Hi. I'm tired.
How's your legs?
Good.
Should we call Uncle Angel to come pick us up with the car?
Sure.
So Darian, how's your bike ride? How do you like it?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes.
You want to come back again?
Yes. No.
How am I supposed to get my workout like this, going so slow like a granny? Darian, did you realize that we're going downhill? We're going downhill and we're going like 1 mile per hour when we should be going 10 miles per hour at least. Little granny, going so slow. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Water has no calories. It has no calories. It has no energy. Hey, Mr. Yapper. This is not a nature walk, okay? It's a workout. It's a workout. Stay to your right before you get run over. Or you go as fast as you can. And you time it. And each time you try to make it less and less because you're going faster.
And if I go fast, when I go tighter, go slow.
But for you it's the opposite. Instead of going faster, watch out, you're going slower. You see, you almost got run over, Granny. So, not such a tough guy, huh? You want me to carry you?
Yeah. Okay.
There's a bike coming. We're almost there. Probably one more mile. Okay, guys. We're going back home. We made 14 miles. Poor Darian. He's so exhausted. And I forgot to close it at the parking lot, but we have to get back because Sassy has to go out. So we had to rush it a little bit. You okay, Darian? How about you, Andy? You okay?
They took 10 minutes to catch up. 10 minutes.
It was not easy, dude. Alright. So anyway, we enjoyed the bike ride. It's a beautiful day. It's 65 degrees. It was perfect. It was perfect.